Hi everyone! Today I want to share with you a cake recipe that is easy to make. This delicious spinach cake is fluffy and with stout vanilla flavor. This is the perfect cake for spring and summer celebration. By the way, if you are new to my channel, make sure to subscribe and click that bell. Here you will find many interesting recipes. Let's get started. We need 2 handfuls of fresh spinach. Put into a blender or a food processor. Add 1/4 cup of milk and 1/4 cup of vegetable oil. Blend all together until smooth. And set aside. Then add in a bowl 3 eggs room temperature and 1 cup of white granulated sugar. Beat them together on high speed for about 5 minutes or until thick and whipped. Hold the spinach mixture into the butter using a rubber spatula. Mix to combine 1 1/4 cups of cake flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla flavor. Gradually add the dry ingredients just until combined. I use 8-inch cake pan greased and dusted with flour and lined with parchment paper. Transfer all of the butter into a cake pan. At the end, add 1 handful of berries. You can use any berry of choice. After that, bake in preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit or 180 degrees Celsius for about 35 minutes or until the thick comes out lean from the center. Our cake is ready. Let the cake cool completely before serving. Add some powdered sugar on top and drain. I hope you like this recipe. Thank you for watching.